What's this chaffle craze all about? Doesn't that look good? Yeah. This is a batter chaffle, and that's a cheese and egg chaffle. They are so easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. What's this chaffle craze all about? Little mini waffles. You know, in keto, you can't eat bread, but there's another way that you can eat bread. And I'm going to show you two ways of making chaffles. And we'll do it in real time. This is called a mini dash maker. I'll link below in the comments. But you can get them at Bed Bath & Beyond or Amazon. They're $10. I think I got these ones for like $8 with a coupon or something. I'm going to plug them in, and I'm going to do this in real time. And we'll see how long it takes for it to heat up. And there's a little light on the top on these. You can use whatever old waffle maker you have. It'll probably take about maybe 5 minutes in total for this to heat up, whip up some stuff. We're going to do two types. One's going to be the method called the cheese, egg, cheese method, and that makes it nice and crispy. And the other method is something new that I've been trying. It's a batter recipe, which is really super easy to do. So while this is warming up, we're just going to make up a quick batter. That's all plugged in. And basically, if you don't like any of these ingredients, you can sub it with something else, like if you don't want mayo or whatever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in, I'm going to put an egg in the bottom. So just one egg. There's an egg. There's, this is a tablespoon of cream cheese and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. And we just stick that in like that. There's 2 tablespoons of almond flour and a half teaspoon of baking powder. I'll throw that in too. Now, if you take a look on the side here, I put a little line. That makes 4 chaffles, battered chaffles. And now we're going to put in a little bit of oil. I like to put a little bit of oil in, like this. That's refined coconut oil. And just a splash of water, just like that. And I'm just going to whiz this up. There we go. That looks really good. We're up to the line. I'll just scrape down the sides a little bit. One more little hit here. There we go. This just clicked off. That's how fast that heats. So I'll move this off to the side. There's the batter, and there's the, one's going to be batter, and the other one's going to be the cheese. So I'll do the cheese one first. So we come in like this, and we're going to put like a little bit of cheese on the bottom, just like that. And you can hear the sizzle already, a little bit. Then we're going to pour in a little bit of egg mixture, just like that. It's pretty easy. And you can just kind of spread it out like that. Down the lid goes. How simple is that? On this one, we're going to pour a little bit of the batter. You don't want to overflow it. So that's about enough right there. And then I just kind of fill in the little divots like that. Just kind of bounce it up and down. So that's done. Let that go. When the steam stops, that's when it's ready. So that's going to take probably maybe 90 seconds at the most. You can see the steam from the down shot here, and this one will start steaming in a minute. As I mentioned, we're going to make 4. I think I'll make a chicken sandwich today, and 2 with the crunchy and 2 with the batter. The batter, I really like that one lately, and you can adjust it to whatever you want. If you want to put some broccoli in there, or different cheeses, some herbs, whatever you like. I've sauteed mushrooms and put them in and just baked them right into the chaffle. You can see how that's puffing up. Look at that. It's rising right up. If you want a sweet one, I'd omit some of the stuff. Keep it really simple, especially in the batter one. You want the baking powder. I've tried it with coconut flour. I like almond flour the best. That's my favorite. And if you don't like the eggy taste, or you don't like eggs, then just use egg white. Pretty basic and pretty easy to do. Well, that's been about a minute. Let's have a look here. Oh, see that one? That looks really good. So I'll take this one. This is a nice soft one. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I'll set that right there. This one is a nice crunchy one. It's hot. And you can see that's the cheese on that side, okay? And I'll just put that right here so that you can see it. I'll throw in another batter. Move it around. Just like that. For our sandwich. Down it goes. This one. I'm going to go cheese, like that. Egg. A little more cheese. Just on the top, just like that. And as I mentioned before, you can just go like this and just give it just a little spray. Down we go. Just like that. That's a good sandwich there. Look at that. And there's a crunchy. That's the crunchy, and that's the. You can see the difference. How the cheese is nice and crispy, and it's more robust. You can pick it up. So I've switched them up. I've got a crunchy on the bottom and a soft on the top, and a soft on the bottom and a crunchy on the top.